Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Rocket League not launching on your Windows PC. Make sure to watch it to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So if you have or causing startup issues, then we're going to make sure to go to the app itself, and then in the library, go to it, and then on the three dots, go to manage. And then from here, go to click on verify files so that I can verify all the folders have been installed correctly and there's no corrupt files. Then from here, going to search for the open install location. Go to binaries, Win64, and then search for the app itself, rocketleague.exe. Right click, go to properties, compatibility, make sure to run this program in compatible mode for Windows 8, disable full screen optimization, and run this program as administrator. And that's pretty much it. Click on apply and then click OK. Finally, you're going to check if your drivers are fully updated. So from here, if you're owning a GeForce or GeForce NVIDIA, then simply go to GeForce Experience. Once it loads the interface right here, go to drivers, and then as you can see, there's a new GeForce driver available to update, or you can check for updates and then download. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.